Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about KITE AI project. This is the first Layer 1 blockchain project focused on AI, so I think it has great potential. To start farming on this AI testnet project, first go to the registration link, then click on Get Started. Connect your MetaMask wallet. You will receive 100 XP for connecting your wallet. Next, connect your Twitter and Discord account. You will get XP for connecting your accounts. After successfully connecting your accounts, you will see this dashboard. Now, scroll down and join their Telegram channel. Next, you will need to verify your account on their Discord server. After successfully verifying your Discord account, scroll down below. Here, you will see 3 different agents. You have to ask questions to these agents. Your questions will be counted as transactions, so asking questions is really important for farming points for the airdrop. The server is currently experiencing some issues. As this is a testnet, such issues are to be expected. Hopefully, the team will resolve them soon. In the meantime, continue trying to earn points by asking questions. You can also use ChatGPT to generate crypto-related questions, which should make things easier for everyone. You can earn a maximum of 200 XP by asking questions every day. This project is in super early stage, so keep grinding as much as possible for big airdrop.